Hello guys, how you guys doing? So si Real Talk. Ang topic ngayon is men are logically superior sa mga babae. Now, dahil sinabi ko yan, that doesn't mean na pag lalaki ka and you're in a relationship na you're gonna be a dictator and ikaw lang ang masusunod. The truth is, we need each other. Man needs women and woman needs men. Yun ang totoo. We have strength and weaknesses, and in a relationship, we need each other. Kasi, kaya ako itong ginawa, itong video na to, kasi may mga naririnig ako na hindi na kailangan ng lalaki when it's not true. May mga naririnig ako mga babae na nagsasabi na kaya nila kasi independent sila. Yes, you can. Pero papaano pag nasira ang kotse nyo? That's one good example. Kasi men are more mechanically inclined than women. Most mechanics are men. Most engineers are men. Most people who do construction are men. Yung mga mabibigat na trabaho, men are the one doing that. So, yun pa lang, sa statistic na ganon, panalo na talaga. Like men are more logically superior. When it comes to decision making, especially long term, men thinks more better. Okay? So, yun nga, pag tinignan nyo ang statistic, like men are better at those things. Now, there's things na women are good too. Like women are good at organizing. Like women are quick thinkers. Like quick learners pala. Not quick thinkers, quick learners. They learn quick. I've read sa isang study sa England or UK na yung mga batang babae, when they were growing up, they learn faster than boys. So, dahil nga ganon, also nga pala, men thinks better under stress. If there's an earthquake, there's a fire, men, yung doon na yung instinct natin as men, doon na lalabas eh. So, hindi tayo nagpapanik, we think straight. Yun na yung ano, lalo na pag kunwari, may magnanakaw, yung instinct ng men to be a protector o to defend na andun, eh. So, yun nga, hindi ko sinasabi na there's no na women are useless. That's not the point of this video. This video is to showcase, yun nga, that men are more logically superior than women. Now, may mga weakness din ng men. Men cheats more than women. Nakita ko sa isang statistic na men are more suicidal than women. So, siguro dahil din, siguro sa culture ngayon, when marami na kasing mga lalaki bini-baby. Bini-baby na sila, like they are being spoiled. Which is sad. Kasi pag lalaki ka, like, you need to be strong. You can't be spoiled. Kasi, ang totoo, life is hard. Life is hard when you are a man or when you're a woman. It's both hard. So, hindi lalo na mga parents ngayon, hindi na pinapalo. You don't discipline your kids. Hindi naman lahat, pero marami. Like, there's a trend going on na hindi na pinapalo ang mga kids. Because when I was growing up, especially dyan in the Philippines, it's normal to spank their child. Pati when I was going to school there, all my instructors, mga teachers ko are very strict. So, I learned from that. As men, we need to do better. We need to be more disciplined. We need to do better. And yun nga, yung mga weakness na sinabi ko, like one of them is men cheats more. We need to stop doing that. We need to respect women. And also, like, the standard has to go up. Hindi yung bumababa ang standard. The standard has to go up. Huwag niyong bababaan ang standard dahil sa naaawa kayo sa tao. Ang naiisip kong example nun, yung binababaan yung standard dahil naaawa ka sa tao is mga ganitong sitwasyon. Kunwari, may magnanakaw, ninakawan ka, tapos mahirap, na you found out na mahirap lang yung magnanakaw. So, you let it go. Mali yun. Do you know why? Because stealing is wrong. Stealing is wrong kahit mayaman ka o mahirap ka. Mali yun. Ito pa ang naiisip ko sa ganyan eh. Lalo na yung mga binabato ng mga LGBTQ, binabato nila to eh sa mga Christian eh. Sinasabi nila, why don't you accept gay people? Sinner ka naman eh. We're all sinners, so it's okay. Mali pa rin. Mali pa rin. Parang ang ginagawa mo is you are lowering standard and you are saying it's okay to sin. Yes, we're all sinners. Yes, nobody's perfect. But being gay is still wrong. I mean, or wag natin kunwari same-sex marriage, gano'n. O LGBTQ. O sige na. Kasi naguguluhan ako eh. Sorry naguguluhan ako kasi hindi ko straighten yung isip ko eh. Pero I mean, lahat 'yun mali. Mali pa rin. You don't lower standard dahil naaawa kayo. Kailangan tumataas pa ang standard. So, yep, yun lang naman. So, we need each other. Men needs women and women needs men. Life is hard. Tsaka wag babaan ang standard. Dahil naaawa kayo. That is called toxic niceness. O mabait ka. Mabait ka, naaawa ka. You don't lower standard. A yes is a yes, a no is a no. What is right is right, what is wrong is wrong. And we need to be more disciplined. We need to be better people. So, yun lang naman. I'm gonna cut this off kasi matagal na eh. 12 minutes na ako nagsasalita dito. Everybody have a good day and peace out.